Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK49 Lunchtime and Tea Time Prediction Saturday 13 May 2023. Friday UK49 Lunchtime and Tea Time draw result number. Lunchtime result number 2, 5, 13, 23, 47, 49. Lunchtime bonus number 42. Tea time result number 8, 13, 22, 28, 44, 46. Tea time bonus number 31. 12th May UK49 Lunchtime and Tea Time Prediction winning number 5, number 13, number 47, number 22, number 44, today lunchtime and tea time calculation prediction number. Hi YouTube family, welcome to SB Prediction. Today lunchtime and tea time prediction number 1 to 9 3 number prediction. Number 1, 3 and 7. 10 to 19 3 number prediction. Number 13, number 16 and number 18. 20 to 29 3 number prediction. Number 20, 24 and 27. 30 to 39 3 number prediction. Number 32, 35 and 39. 40 to 49 3 number prediction. Number 42, 45 and 48. UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction repeat number 1 to 9 3 number prediction 1, 3 and 7. 10 to 19 3 number prediction 13, 16 and 18. 20 to 29 3 number prediction 20, 24 and 27. 30 to 39 3 number prediction 32, 35 and 39. 40 to 49 3 number prediction 42, 45 and 48. Today lunchtime and tea time onset single number prediction. Number 1, 13, 20, 32 and 39. UK49 lunchtime and tea time onset single number prediction repeat 1, 13, 20, 32 and 39. Today lunchtime and tea time bonus number prediction. Number 2, 10, 17, 26 and 37. Today lunchtime and tea time bonus number prediction repeat 2, 10, 17, 26 and 37. Today lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Join this premium telegram channel SB Prediction, link in description and comment box. Like, share, comment this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.